themselves right away.
Again.
Now they just have to make these cheaper so you don't pay like $8 for a kid to be like,
Yeah. Oh,
you have to
he's
stop
switching
pressing
it up.
Look
music.
at the gears.
Wow.
You know why? Because we haven't finished this song.
Right?
I don't know how to go to a new one.
I think this one has to finish.
Her little legs. You can play video games like Daddy.
Yay! Clap! Yeah.
There you go. I think that would scare kids.
It's true.
Like even that weird doll that comes out, like when the kid's about to fall. She kind of gets that, doesn't she? Oh, sorry.
Oh God, this is so intense for her.
We will not have a... See that scary thing guy falling out?
Now you gotta wonder why Karen has this on her iPod.
Because I have a 2-year-old niece. I even have like Alice
Okay,
in
let's see if
Wonderland
it
or
finishes if
something.
we can get to a different song.
Oh, it's the old McDonald
Oh,
remix.
it's
Crap.
Juniper seems plenty amused though.
Right?